Alright, Auto One was nice enough to send me this smart air pump. It's an air compressor. It's got a flashlight, and it can also be used to charge things like your phone. And so this is the box it came in. Has a quick start guide, and then it also has these 4 attachments for other items, but the one that's built in is what I need for automotive use, and it's got a power cord in this nice bag that it has, and then it has this inside the bag, it's got this little pocket for these items in my hand. So I'm gonna put those 4 items. Those would be for like basketballs, beach balls, different things like that. But the built-in attachment is all you need for like automotive or bicycle things that I will be using it for, so I'm probably not going to need those adapters. And then it comes with a power cord also. So what we're going to focus on, so it looks like this. It's nice and got a nice weight to it. It's got a USB-A. The cord is a USB-A to USB-C, and to power the device you plug the USB-C in to power it, and then if you were wanting to charge your phone you would come out from that one. On the side you've got a power button. You can adjust the PSI rating with the plus and minus sign, and then so we're going to turn the power on. One of the things I like about it, I know we're in the sun, so it's going to get washed out a little on the camera possibly, but it starts up at 35.0 psi, and these increments are a half a psi instead of a tenth. And I really like the visibility, even though you may not catch a lot of it in the sun. I can see it well. My vision is not great, and it shows up great at night, so I really like that. So you got your units to measure. We're going to leave it on psi, and then it starts up like a car at 35, and really they're all so close I don't even think I would change it unless I was doing like a basketball. But that one goes to 40 for motorcycle, 38 for bicycle, 8 for a basketball, and then just a profile flexible one that starts at 100 psi. But we're going to leave it at the 35. That happens to be what this vehicle takes. And one of the cool things about this I've never seen before is the cord that you plug in the tire from here stores right in it, right there. So if you have an overfilled tire, all you have to do is screw this end on it and air will come out. Alright, so we have our set point at 35 psi. We don't need an adapter, so we're gonna go fill up our truck tire. It's not down too far. So when I screw this on here, it's gonna tell us what the current pressure is. So as I screw that on, it's at 33 right now, and I'm gonna start filling it up. All air compressors are loud. This one's really not that loud. I'd say it's about normal. Okay, so see it when it gets to 35, it cuts off on its own. And we put our cap back on. Alright, so Anyway, I really like that it's got the auto shut-off feature. I like that this stores inside of here, that it's got the built-in setting for what I use it for, which is automotive and bicycles. Oh my, look at all those birds. Wow, they're interested. And what I really like is the visibility for night use. And even though I don't know how the camera is going to pick it up in the sun, I can see it in the sun. And I, like I said, don't have the greatest vision. So anyway, that's a quality product. To shut it off, you just long hold the power button. This is the light at the top. Hit it once, you got a LED light to help you at night. Hit it again, and it's got a flashing white light, and then hit it again and it's got a flashing red. So I would think the main use for that would be the solid white to help you see at night, get it plugged into your car. So I'll put links in the description, and if there's any discount codes or anything, I'll include those as well. Thank you for watching.